The weather is a changin'. It's starting to sprinkle on me, and I can feel that the winter is upon us. Okay, well, I'm out here, nobody's here. Everybody is left for the day, and I'm gonna see what's going on. I was here a couple days ago and let's check out the electrical, I think, because I don't know what else they would have done today. I like how they keep everything nice and clean. Okay, let's go in here. Let's just go in here. As I showed you before, they've already done their electrical. They've got all their junction boxes for light switches. Look at this. They've already made up their wires. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. They've wired that. Before, I think they had just had the wires stuck out. Maybe not. They might have done that, and they've also hooked up a couple GFI electrical outlets. Now this one here is probably hot. There's another one over there, and that way the electrical panel's here, and they've got that all fired up, and that way they can run their electrical extension cords for their nail guns and that kind of stuff, their compressor, and so forth and so on. Okay, let's just see what's going on electrically. I was hoping to see if they've done some more stuff in here for the electrical, and I don't know if they did or not. Remember the other day we came and this was sitting here, so I don't really think they came. And actually today is over the weekend, but I didn't come here on Friday. I did not come here on Friday, and you remember on Thursday, they had just poured these concrete columns. So I know somebody came out here Friday because they've taken the the forms off of there, and they had. I'm laughing because they had a 2x4 in there. See, right down in there, and over in there. And they just whacked it off. They should have at least cut it off or something. And because now that wood is down in there and they can't get it out. But oh well. Oh well. Wow, look how tall this ladder is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A 12-footer with 2 more feet. I've never seen one that tall, with a little area where they can stand. See, they stand right there, and then they've got that other section up there that they can work off of and be nice and safe. I've never seen one like that before. I used to have a 12-foot ladder, but it went up. It was just like this fiberglass one, but it went up just like a regular ladder, you know, at the top. Okay, well, see, they've taken their forms off of here, and I kind of was hoping that the electricians would have showed up Friday and maybe today over the weekend too, so that I could see some of the electrical that was being installed. But funny thing, they haven't got here. They were here Thursday, and maybe they'll come tomorrow. Maybe they'll come tomorrow, or they'll work next week on it, and we'll just have to check it out. Okay. And you see, I don't know what all framing for the roof that they've done since last time, because it kind of looked like this from before, right? So apparently this is just going to be a short video, I think. We might come out here and talk a little bit about the electrical. Let's just come out here where they had installed the wiring, and let's just talk about this here real quick. Now, see, when they install light switch boxes like this, man, it's not coming out very well, is it? Here's an electrical outlet box. Now, let's go over somewhere else. My camera is not working very well when it's not very bright out. Oh, we'll go, maybe this one will be better. Let's look at this. See, I'm not too happy with this video camera. I keep threatening to get a new one, and I just haven't done it yet. And I really should, because this is very frustrating for me coming out here late afternoons, and now it's not even bright enough inside to show you what I wanted to show you on the electrical. Okay, but this one looks a little better because we're out by the light. Okay, we're out here, so and see, I can't really pull out any wires. This thing's probably hot. But I was going to say, after they install these boxes, there's a little plastic nib on the sides, and generally you just push the box right to the side, nail it on there, run your wires. And when you run your wires, what I was going to tell you is, you've got a staple. See here, there's a staple. You have to have it within 6 inches of the box. Okay, so that's borderline, but it's okay. Okay, if you have it too far, the inspector's going to shoot you down. That's just what he's going to do. And I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this stuff. This might be some. Oh, I know what that is. I think that's for might be for a fireplace. Because I don't think it has anything to do with heating and air conditioning. It might. We'll just have to see. We'll just have to see what this stuff is for, because most of the air conditioning so far has been run underneath the floor. Okay, and I don't really think they're going to take anything out where the heating and air conditioning ducts are over there, coming up and into the attic and then coming down too. I mean, I've seen some houses, I guess, where there's, have you ever seen them with supplies and returns up at the top as well as the bottom? I've never really seen that. I thought I did, but now come to think of it, I don't think I have. And I'm just jumping all over the place this video, aren't I? Here's their air conditioning units are going to be over here, and it'll be interesting to see how they're going to install their material there, because I also see on the outside of here that there's two wires here, and my guess is, see, they're gonna put more dirt up here. See how they raise this up, and about 6 inches below the wood is probably going to be where their dirt is going to be. Okay, they just need to get some more dirt in here, because we know this is going to be up higher, right? Because there's a garage door right here that they decided to cut in, and so the dirt level is going to be down 6 inches, 8 inches or so, and then this will be a driveway going out through there. Isn't that kind of cool? This was on the back side, and there's where the main garage doors are, so they can just drive all the way through, or back up, or come in this way, or go out that way, whatever it is, put a trailer in here. Who knows what they're going to do? But I like the fact that because they're on a corner lot, they designed their house like this, and it gives them plenty of ideas to do in this garage. Look how big this garage is. And that's something. Okay, but back over to here, if they put the dirt up, these two wires here are probably going to be for the fans for your air conditioning, and they'll probably set them right here. Kaboom, kaboom. That's my guess. Okay, man, the weather is a change, and I'm kind of getting cold here. Okay, there's not much more I really can say at this point, because it's getting dark, and because nobody's really come out here to do anything else that I was going to show you. I'm going to have to come out here. I'm going to have to note to self, I'm going to have to come out here a little bit earlier tomorrow so that I can see what's going on in here. Maybe the electricians, maybe they'll be here working throughout the rest of the weekend, and I can show you some more electrical stuff. I'll come out here late tomorrow afternoon, I think. Maybe not as late as I did today, but in any case, I thought I would come out here, and there's not really that much more that I'm going to show you today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.